Today, we're going to learn how to properly use upright microscope so you can improve your image from left to the right. The microscope we are using is equipped with two illumination paths, reflection path as well as transmission path. At first, we're using the transmission, but as you can see, the image quality is not very good due to the inappropriate illumination setting. The first thing you want to adjust is reduce the aperture all the way to the smallest at the bottom, and then gradually adjust the condenser position closer to your sample. This will make the field of view very bright, so you may want to adjust the light intensity accordingly. However, as the condenser moving closer to the focus at a certain moment, you may see the completely dark in the field. This is because your condenser is off the center. You can now switch to a lower magnification and adjust the two knobs on the condenser so you can center the focus of the illumination. Once it's centered, you can focus your sample and adjust the bottom aperture so the illumination is just covered the field of view. Then you can switch to the magnification you want. After refocus the sample, you can see the sample image is much more clean and sharp. On the condenser, there is an aperture ring with number on it. This is a NA number, needs to be matched with the numerical aperture of your objective. In this case, our objective is 0.9 NA objective, so you want to adjust the condenser aperture to match with this number. Lower the condenser NA will offer better contrast while compromise the resolution, so you can choose properly according to your preference. But NA greater than the objective NA cannot offer any advantages. This is how we adjust the transmission illumination path. Now we can switch to reflection path. On the reflection path, we have two light stop similar to transmission, FS or field stop, and AS or aperture stop. Both of them needs to be centered. For field stop, you can directly observe it by reducing the aperture and see it on the camera and see through the eyepiece. While the aperture stop needs to be centered by removing the eyepiece. You want to adjust the AS and FS so proper amount of light is illuminated on your sample while light field is just cover your field of view. This reduces the scattering light, offer best image. You want to adjust your two stops so proper amount of light is illuminated on your sample, while the light field just cover your field of view. This reduces the scattering light, offer best image. However, when you switch from bright field to dark field, you must fully open the field stop as you are imaged with the scattering light. This is how we properly align the microscope, getting the best image. Hope this is useful. Thank you.